I have no intention whatsoever on escaping any of the commitments we made. We intend to keep them because that is how we are going to transform Kenya. That's how we are going to transform this nation. And I am committed 100% to the transformation of this nation. And I want to persuade you as my team, the Government of Kenya team, for us to know that there is no two ways about this. It has to be done because Kenya has to change. We have waited for far too long. We have prevaricated for far too long. We have postponed the things that we could do for far too long. We have been timid about what needs to be done in Kenya. I have even had occasion people telling me, oh, you know, you have picked up too many things. You know, especially the difficult ones. You would have waited for your second term. Right? And then you ask yourself, why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term merely because you are working on difficult things? Why don't you finish the difficult things now? You know? If there is a second term, there is plenty of things to be done. And if it can be done in 5 years, why do you want to do it in 10 years? Are we together? And that is how we haven't made progress as a nation. Because we make decisions not on the basis of how we know that they are right, but we make decisions on the basis of how is it convenient for me to remain politically relevant. And in there, we lose the momentum to do the right things. The country loses time on things that can be done now as we wait for tomorrow. Our focus is not the next election. Our focus is the transformation of Kenya. Let me repeat it. We must do what we must do, as so long as it is in the exercise of transforming our nation, the next election notwithstanding. Are we together? Yes. The next election is not our focus. If there is a focus, let it be the transformation, the foundation we are laying so that the next generation can be different.